I own this fridge now. Everything will taste like me.
Reason number 1, you left me in here for 2 weeks. I'm a biohazard now.
Reason number 2, I'm a sponge. I absorb every smell in here because you didn't seal my cap. I taste like a salad now. Reason number 3, you don't have an open-end box of me in the back. I don't just sit here, I suck the odors out of the air like a vacuum.